It's the start of a new job. We're going to be building a retaining wall and hopefully we can get it done within the next 3 days. So right now we're going to load the excavator onto my trailer. We're gonna get it loaded up and go walk you guys through it and see what we're gonna be doing. So I'm super excited about this job. We're also going to be building some stairs on it and it's gonna look good. We'll see you there. Well guys, let's go do a quick job walk and show you guys what we're going to be doing here at Justin's house. So as you guys can see, we have this massive hillside and we're going to try to maximize it by putting a retaining wall, cutting in and making it look great. So we're gonna build 3-foot tall retaining wall so that way he can push this back, gain some more space right here. And we're gonna be creating some step going up to the hill. So eventually he can, I don't know, maybe do some plantings or do something about the hillside. So let's kind of just listen to what these guys are doing. ¿Qué es lo que está haciendo, Maestro Chapo?
Aquí sacando la escuadra para donde va a ir el muro.
So we're here, we're just checking back in. It's about 2:40 p.m. right now. And let's go see what the boys were able to do. Check how close the kilo is. You guys can see we've done amazing progress and I think we're still gonna take out another 3 loads of fill. Hopefully we can start laying block tomorrow. All right, so we're gonna get this wheelbarrow full of dirt and I'm gonna go load it on the trailer. I feel great. I can do it all day.
You did it. High fives.
So we got the second trailer here ready to go. It's looking good. Si no, eso hay que apilarlo acá, ¿no? Yeah. El sage. Yeah.
Take a ball right there.
Of the sagebrush, yeah. So right here, Tito's got it marked out where he's gonna pretty much make the steps going up and go from there. We're just pulling up to Justin's project. It's our 3rd day here and let's go see the progress. We were waiting on some material to get delivered and it rained for the past 2 days. It's pretty messy. Okay, so this is where we're going to build our steps into the retaining wall. And then we got our 2nd layer done. We're adding the 3rd. And then after the 3rd, we're going to be adding some drainage rock with some filter fabric and drainage pipe.
Tito, este bloque es una chulada para el drainage.
Oh, sí.
¿Sí o no?
Luego va a drenar muy bonito.
Como si la alcanzara a pedir a la medida. Es que la cargamos por Amazon.
No. Déjame yo con esto al humo. Al otro humo. Pártelo el show.
¿O tú cómo ves eso de que me dice mi papá?
No, pues tiene seguidores en español también.
Son los que me tiran, es lo que no le gusta, que me digan mamada.
Porque fuimos a comer con Mike, el vecino. Fíjate, yo limpié mi casa y él vino nomás para decirme qué y qué tengo que tirar en mi casa. ¿Nomás a eso fue, Datito?
No, y almorzar.
No, pero fue por eso que fue, tío. Para que no le tirara cosas que él cree que ocupe.
¿Ocupé él o tú aquí?
Pues los dos. Porque él se ocupa de mis cosas. Y no me molesta porque yo cuando lo ocupo, ahí está, a la hora que sea.
¿Está bien?
¿Verdad, Tito?
Te digo que me parece a este.